loso henge la testele ta thing to ma lobsen go to shura di geometry now lo yobe ke the triangle le to la ma giant ta lobsen ding now lo wa chita ma triangle la ga to go so ta ma ga chunchu ni chini ma jang de re the in by na ro ti go topic test lo sha de pe sha in by na zum ku wen na ga focus ka ta lo in by na congruent triangle ta pa che na bu ga ha bu yo congruent triangle na khari me chi and thing on the now jang go similar triangle. So let's say the differentiate between the similar triangle and the congruent triangle. Think on the recap shit and the on the three mix kind of treasure or think on the two homogeneous dinner training. Tamong on the congruent and a condition like do. Chidam to the Magana lover, that mixing is doing a Guvena Harchana. Congruent means any figure, the figure correction figure condition by same shape, same figure. For example, say this is the same shape. Shape there. Same shape, same size. Size shape so there are congruent figure. Triangle drawing by Della Karachi overlap in a drawing by na, and chick nothing tongue, Della Manto Kalana, and congruent triangle. So same shape, same size. So the Dola Kalana, uncongruent, Sunda Kawaya Mata, size chickbo gugure, and shape of the chickbush gugures. Roa, Tata machine Anzuki, the taking on the young Remunituna, Nisha square. Imarconic size you red way. Size you married. So ding unto square shore, ding unto the desk chair, ditchware. Yine, ding it to spatcher down by the square chair already. Dig dimensions, you are digging chickens in church down, so Della was Valena. Similar triangle, that's similar square, but yeah. So figure lava of Sura, similar lana or dogenergy, Karakolana. Shape chickbo gugiorda size not necessary size chickbo engineer go mare ine khare chickbo go shape chickbo gugiore so the next level similar figure the similar the khare mesh go so churchi congruent na khare mesh go so churchi so da shi dini da samdam chin the line is the chick line ring ayore chick thung ayos ine dingi kharche ona duk chickbo shar ba the du se extend chewe in ba ko chickbo chayora yoda dina. So in a book, similar, the congruent marriage, Jingdung Kivadoya. So ding on to similar line or line simulation. The Darashing and to the dinting is square, that was the cube ni part by enough. So dear on to catch and similar. Diche the chunga the extension way in a chair the chair della. So della of Kalena similar. The dot you are in by a similar and a condition similar love in by enough. Same shape. Not necessarily the size. This circle. Dear circle. So Dinila of similar. That Dinin was similar Relana. Dini similar Shire. Rotan Anzuki, Nambu, Lampon saying drawing by the Didalama would say you're a Dini. Dinin Anzuki, Gawainish like what did it. The Dini Chire or Yoma, Ditcher Rotani, Ditcher Rotani, Ditcher. Samshasa, the Zulanga similar Mare, congruent at the Vegan Ching Marwa. So the Imberson Zantangola to Karakosu Chilla Wimpana, similar Harimetric down, and congruent Harimetric. But then a triangle. The triangle need the congruent Savani Marilla, the Chical Chicta, the Joe was to Katuna de Sula Tuyong, Net those Patana. Chigal Chictan, the Katuna Chick Sulti the Tuyong, so Dick Hatumula Marconi similarly in a Karimalana, congruent Mares, the Tongo Tich goes to a shoe. Chatanganzo Tima Jango Jorwa. Ding on to similar charge, so the need of Chashana and the Chick overlaps in doing by a Chickachina charge. And then I was going to congruent figures. The Manto Karajan loving by a triangle that Joe Jango Sonsa, the knee casing and so. Because a congruent chaggy in Bana. And the new one to carry that similar is. So similar to Joy to catch a Harshago to love in by us. That was the Haran thingy topic Tangude. Jam triangle ki nalo la around the 9 theorems. Una dux patron ching ona keche bo shi. The goose yor on the nala. This goose chik shem bachena tende pen to ta good nalo ne ta. On the shi is yore. This shi the inchi menjing on the shem to a chen da wa. So shi di nalo ne thangbo di ri. Ra ta dina theorem ka she da. Theorem ni keche bo shi shi. So that's why I'm going to theorem natural theorem na khare lagi me de chik chana ko mazu in paina theorem law in paina ro proof che shal kyu chla one ngan su ki properties in mang chang wa statement de pechana triangle chik na la degree ka na ke de ge chu la ro ting ngan su property ti tanda ba so khung ge yo ma ti na la ro 180 yo de khung ge yo ma khung ma ge de ka chana properties chi ra to theorem la ka na ko kesi nganzu 180 imba khungke na an dela nganzu shine theorem la ta tenda nganzu di na theorem de kana na khungke an di na no ne samlo chik ta no imba na da yikse che du samlo ta imba na ta di gi to ro wa kran su gi chik thep na du sa pass question na la pa ta imba na di jiwo de shuchile de tenda de theorem nganzu di na la yewa ni ge chi borda theorem khanda ji nganzu proof che wa imba na yewa ni ji pe ge chi 예와 당보대 가면은 뒤름 가르쳐요. 그럼 막 프루프 쉐데 백해져 버스. 소고 쇼 장거예요 말에. 얘는 그런 패턴 집하게 소셔겨 주라. 디디지 그런 집하게 고수면 돈에 막 프루프 쉐고 임바이나. 안 그거 다라 딕사워. 소 이제는 막 쇼실려 디기 주어도 주셔서는. 니워들어라 대 애플리케이션. 디 자미 그 가르 팬도도. 디 고수에 계신 모르다. 뒤름 찍고 막에 심리파이 제어 섬기 개요. 지워 망치를 디 계시 신앙리기. Right, example, just 신앙리 저 망치 컨슬리라고 임바나 투림도 프루프시라 안 와라 투림도 표적당네 애플리케이션 준주되네 지기. So 디네 가지고 공개해도 하고라. So apply to 해줘라. 디 투림도. So that 이 투림도 갈래거나 드링은 좀 맞줘라. 디 투림 당부도 가능하나. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. For example, say this is a triangle. Triangle D machashas. The triangle da. If a line is drawn, side count and there are three sides. Side chicle nalo near parallel to one side, side chicle parallelities. So side count in it, those chinati, those chinati, go kill. Taina and to side the connect parallel in this partition. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then those parallel chain do another. Those chain that so a parallel how to solana, they're a parallel to those the lines are the line they telling a parallel to so line drawn parallel to one side, telling a parallel to inch me teaching on those chin a jigger, Kyoto Kayamaro, Kanisina Kyoto. Thank those partitions in the rock. Because the side chick a parallel to so telling the parallel to those parallel. Intersecting other two sides. But the other two sides, tell a parallel side did the ding house one. So the inner rushing I took their rail. Chick how to dolana, tell a two shot, chick there a tour. And line the cow parallel, tell a parallel rate, chick there two shot, chick there a tour. So the next heel of Tambutan. Roatic statement the lauda. Other two side. Then that is you in a courage low in that result gets your then it divides, it means the line lower the line they divide the two sides two sides in the same ratio. That ratio the chicken can ratio and current and do simbana thing on the parity so parity ratio and there this side divided by this side is equal to this side divided by this side. So side dela dig divide down dela dig divide down you need it chick chagi yore that the hunke. So theorem get notification drawing by theorem now theorem notification drawing by pattern german function total did go. The first step the Karagolana figured board and again figure dinner to but the dinner Tito chamber. So Tamba Katana take figure the gender. So remove another go low in banana, write a figure here. Triangle is what? Triangle A B C is if a line is drawn parallel to that if a line to parallel is side chigla. So the line the next to the line L to the line the line parallel betar. and it intersect the other two sides. Side ni two gre la de la zu e to s de la zu f to shin. E da f ni de side shama ni la two de is. Kesi di line de la parallel chin draw in by na. Two is side shama ni la two gro. Dinesh two gre is. Chene de two yo in by na to kung is AE divided by EB is equal to AF divided by FC there and chiba chagi image kunke na that turing so that was turing the kunke and our anting was project down the connect down to general to check now that kunke la the now la pattern the pattern the instrument goes to a church yixana katune the interest le de and turing kunke la must step kashe the instrument goes to step 다음부터 가려고 하면 이나라 가르쳐도 대단한 것도 가려래 given it. So the first step is write down the given here. 당보다 나도 given to 이나라 가르쳐도 소원도 당보다 given to 저거 인바이나 A B C A B C는 것도 가려 triangle given 돼. 이게 look space or triangle 들어와. 소원도 가려나 A B C is a triangle. A triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle. ABC 대 먼저 triangle series. And triangle 나눠. 다른 거 저기 제가 같이 하려면 construction 나눠 내주고요. this is ABC. The triangle ABC is ABC is a triangle and triangle ABC, the given triangle ABC is those given character triangle ABC. These are the test of the character love in triangle ABC. There is the standard indication of that. 다른 것이 것도 같이 해도 나오면 이번에 given 나가 그래. 뒤는 given 가는 line L 주로 line L 대 BC의 parallel 맞지? 되는. 다른 것이 line L is parallel to BC. 뒤는 given으로 가는 디테일 나오는 봐. line 대 parallel 파치나는 디 스테이트먼트 나 가르쳐 올 게시어 뒤나온다. so 먼저 같이 해도는 triangle ABC 주제요래. 아니 디 나오는 line L 주로 디 BC la parallel. So this project is challenge gilwa. So the dig line L ke sabaya kharchine tigla or EF is parallel to BC lana tigla ko tona jibarta. So this che the first step to think of the given che. Second step de tanga do kungie do ate khar le khar do tela to prove it. To prove lana kun kharike lagi do lana kun khalana AE roa. So kun ke de AE divided by EB is equal to AF divided by FC. Kun ke de ngatu de ta ding ngatu never sure dot do in by na. So the layers and the now la ta ngatu construction the now this ni so big ya go ga schedule de ngatu khale construction ne. 디도 제고다 인지메지 디도 인지메지 바 제고 오르다 so 디나는 가르 컨스트럭션도 라우인 바이나 so 디나 컨스트럭션 제라 당보디 컨스트럭션 당보디는 join this and this 디니 바 join 제 직제 컨스트럭션 당보디라 join EC and BF construction 당보디 딩긴체 so they want to join chi la so zan thing is my join chain da so this is the first and second thing on the construction magic join chain construction ni what the na khar to love in by na dini east wa dini AC de la perpendicular chi la perpendicular 90 wa so this part 90 chi la de this party then thing means hasta shara t resta 당한 집에 현지 F near 90 G's F near pa 90 G's nanti saya dah lah masuk Q terus tak juga ni. Tadi ini kan kari ini betul lah, nanti ini betul dah. So dah masuk kari saya tu lah, kau kari saya tu ni dia sih siapa dia sih kau mana? Kari saya tu lah, draw EP perpendicular to AC and FQ perpendicular to AB. So there the construction there. That's a lot of the level swag. That's so soon in my castle. Number 20 proof it. So PROOF proof that's so soon in my chicken dollars. Kunking das. So this one Jimmy Chito Shade. Harigaratedo given to prove what is the question and what we need the things to do for the construction. Construction chain. And last PROOF proof. That was my doing that. So the matter what was so that Shamaka show my dinner some drawing banner triangle to see there. Those are triangles to their triangle church. Even the triangle that comparison share that triangle need. The color is A, E, F, the Korean to compare Shigana, E, B, F, the compare share. Triangle is so that the triangle A, E, F to D, then another triangle to B, F, E triangle chick there. Now, partially F, C, E and triangle, the need that also compare share. So the convention and the result culture do let's see. So Tango in triangle around the triangle. In triangle. That triangle on the area there, some area of triangle issue. Triangle data the need pass on in triangle AEF. AEF and triangle BFE. BFE the sum of time drawing a triangle the need of the focus dollar. So focus was the area of triangle in that area of triangle AEF in bana area of triangle AEF AEF. So this is to do AEF nala half into base into height triangle D. So D going to cut it to half the paranjati half into base and the base the mara. The base on the so base color A E. So base the A E sharp. Into height, the height gare QF triangle base the in a height 90 F so FQ the sharp. So the answer be party sharp, relation to Tango the G sharp. Did you saw? You the triangle young Shabadenda area of triangle BFE. BFE la pa samatan joining ya base into height so the base kare triangle the base cut to now in base 0. So the na EB EB. Chidam call a base cut base cut the triangle base there shanachi the shanachi the shanachi. Tata on the current level donana. The Gubi also the Gubi want to dig lambers. So their base the base hasn't dig height the dear say wrong. Tell the language they true. Triangle didn't show in Bana. Triangle didn't show man, the height the one is a dose part of Rua. Casey didn't remember chair, triangle didn't show na. The young Puna Tunga Mountain with that. Console to Netrosona. The Netrosona. Casey triangle didn't show in Bana. Those show in Bana. That dig height very low and I think height didn't maintain a those maintain the roa. Those for 90 Bana and think you got chili, hide the shade of those Martiniana. So then 90 did 90 Marwa. So those party that those for Chilola later Halere, Chiloleo. Kashini did dig height there. Height and I did 90 over the parallel or 90 the para there. Chesant dig triangle dig. Base dig up to high discharge. So the chicken did not to low in Bana. Dina Hanadana, triangle dealing of Karkasho or triangle Dikasho. In a base language was a Queen Anticato, Dedwa. So dig you high shade, triangle dig high the shade. Sometimes in Banarua, room dig high the Kasu meeting Gogorda. In another Kasu the Demi-Yomas. Sudaki Demi-Yo Mare, in a chilo, dig high the Chipian Carto, Shilorda. Pagi balcony chora, dining a high say yaw and now say Chipian or Chilodi. You should not now only say yaw marwa. Nichilodini, I get say yaw in Manachilo, the high down, now high in Chipian. Kashini, base Chikorade. So the demons are dig base, the high the Jimmy now go and cultural energy, the base Chipachiro. So demons are dig base, a high and high Chipian. So Yabush Batata, go to the also like Jessica go monster, yes, take it again. Then they go to it. Just a dig base, had to love in Bana, base the teacher. The height had to learn any F2 transfer. So half check, half base into height. Height had to learn FQ larger is. So ding a part 2 discussion. Pajeti go through it. Part 1 to part 2 shall that is right. Tanga the Hikashin the ratio of Palinda. This ratio divided by this ratio. So that therefore the area of triangle Dikachilinda AEF divided by area of triangle BFE. The ratio in Chim and the ratio result here. Third ratio and the Kashigana, Gang half into AE into FQ che divided by 1 by 2 into EB into FQ. So half cut down FQ down the result they result there which is equal to AE divided by EB. I think catchable children are to somebody in that. That in next paper. Never some shots out that the catchable target mixing it strategic to catch it. That is equal to Yanchi. Ryan at Hachina, Gangi triangle data, partial triangle the yin of the compassion, Ryan. Similarly, low in banner, the machines, the triangle. In triangle, you need the AEF down, AEF and triangle partial in the EFC or CFE, Kalena EFC in the EFC. Triangle the in the Parancha and drawing banner. That the Gangi triangle, the twin seven Ranjaro, Chipiana, the Gangi triangle. Even the teacups currently low in base lower sheet, that's a height the shade, so base the shade. So the some banner area in the area of triangle in the AEF, which is equal to half into base into height. Half the answer into the base color AF into height EP 90 days base in Bannerwa. So base like you in Banner, this level and dealing a base and a 90 level of base Tarora. So the name was on down to the EP this. I think I number 4 to discussion, 3 or 4 to shower. Tana she was Chipijan, EFC area of triangle EFC equal to half into base into height, half malanja T. That is base color in Banadero. FC there, base FC, what is triangle dig of the FC. So FC into dig height on Jarwa, the base the other layers. So EP B 시. So 딩 안쪽이 5 돌샤. 다 다른 이거 같이 ratio 나는 생긴다 봐. ratio. The area of triangle AEF divided by area of triangle EFC equal to 간다. half into AF into EP divided by 때려다. half into FC into EP. half EP EP. 저는 한번 가르쳐서 올라오고 있는 거야. Which is equal to 소리 한번 들어와. Which is equal to 되나 하려나? AF divided by FC. 따딩 얘기 줘봐. 이 개념이다. 요스 파샤다. 따딩 감배신다. 딩이수 감배 맞은 걸 나왔어. 딩이 감배 맞은 게라. 다 먼저기 properties를 표시하고 먼저기 지금 준비 구현 나라 property. 가서 parallelogram की नाम लो ले क्यों quadrilateral की नाम लो ले क्यों property की नाम खाली लोग इन पाए ना same base between the same parallel layers वाह same base between the same parallel layers इधर यो इन पाए ना तभी हम तो खाली लोग इन पाए ना square जो है शा ती नाम लो हम तो दूर से ना खासर दूर स्पाचिक शा चिक दूर स्पाशा वाह चिक दूर स्पाले पाए ना sai什么这个是吧？这是通道是吧？你这留一百呢？这个都是零是吧？这个都是零的，它好像第八了 ，same base between the same parallel 来这里。这个都啥？这个都是白呢？例如啊，它 triangle 你看这个了， triangle 里头的，第八了，达到过，你 figure 是哪样子的？你这一白呢？这个等多，咱们是哪个这些新的罗的了？看到个呢？第当，第你看到一白呢？parallel 一般个好过了，第给的那 parallel 有了，so parallel 有个这个哪了 last triangle 你哪了 ？triangle 你看到呢？这个都是的。这个都是，这个都是吧 ？triangle 你这是，但第你这看到的多老一般呢 ，parallel line 这看了些，因为过来你这个 base 看了呢 ，EF 的 triangle 这样 EF 的那些，它是 triangle 这样 EF 看了那多，所以这两个用这些嘞 ，same base between the same parallel 了呢，按 triangle 你的看了差了呢 ，area 你的这个差距来了，但这个用这个看不了这样的话 ，area of that is right. Area of triangle EFB. EFB is equal to how to do equal to citation 这个多。is equal to area of triangle EFC. EFC. 이 triangle 이렇게 줘라. 이 다음 수직 triangle 이 찍어라. 딱 금세도 캐셔버려. 가르쳐 찍어버려. 그 리서치 보고 와. 소 금세도 빼 캐셔. 금세 찍어버려. 제상 완전히 되는 튜링도 하고 시험 봐야 제가 가서 애플리케이션 값수 디다 찍어 차이를 했어. 가신데는 튜링도 적을 수 있어. 디나싱 원서 대나나 완전히 되는 구현나나 장줄치 가려고 임바나 same base between the same parallel 임바나 아니 에리아 찍고 차이를 해. 딱 맞아 표시하는 거. 디나싱 딘 튜링 대 제가 표시하는 거 차이. So 대나가는 same base between the same parallel. 네, 근데 비기 아고 콩게토. Same base basic 데 EF the basic 데 between the same parallel. parallel 찍기는 딱 따요 되나. So there so the triangle D down triangle D 니 area 찍을 차이를 했어. 따딩가 그 콩게서. 가르수 콩게어리 실벤 D 콩게어. 다시는 디 배주 다운 중이다. 완전히 equation 3 down equation 6 니나 따다. 주 랭이다. dig area de da dig area ni de chikwa la or dor dina gang ni de ni chikwa resha to dor dina di gangsa da di gangsa ya chikwa chek do so from 3 and 6 3 down 6 nala ya which ta this ratio is equal to this ratio. Because the gang is AEF rate, AEF ta rate, and BFE da EFC in the chipa in the kunke so. So they don't know correct chipa chagi dona they don't think chipa chagi dos. So they flew together. Area of triangle AEF divided by area of triangle BFC is equal to area of triangle AEF divided by area of triangle EFC. That the chipa in my house, I said, the chipa last out of there. Dita the chipa in the Nikunke so Gani the chipa resha, one in the chipa and the Gaza, the Gaza chipa chegua. So this is what I mean. This ratio has AE. This ratio has to love in AE or this ratio. So AE divided by EB is equal to this ratio has to love in AF and FC. So this is what to do. AE EB, AF, FC. So this is pakung kebrel. That thing is thurim. That thing is thurim. Jodan chora. The pattern jodan de. And thurim shambas apply chitan chipuching. That go tunda go test law shayir matorwa. So thing is that kasur the thurim the page kunge. That is something raw to the lead. Take peju kanistan lecture raw. Thing is the example to war. Those thing is there some shaking and next time chora de la to dig peju kanistan do. Dende tola maa chidu cheshing rwa. Ya laso ane kuchita de turim de jangtuwa chiru. Turim shembasa mikiwan demda shensa rwa. So de turim de gotsuwe toner ta tagas di member ngaktu chugyo member che gotsuwe toner jangda ane digi tiwa dine tewa kiwan di turim de pa pechut ane chidu. Application le pen tuure. Ya ane trash de le